So today I woke up and my garage is a complete mess. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, show you guys a little time lapse of that. And then we're going to go ahead and work on the 240SX. We're going to probably install the tail lights. So stay tuned for that and enjoy this time lapse. I cleaned up the garage as best as I could. I actually went and got a haircut and ran some errands while I was at it. So I cleaned it up as best as I could for the moment, and it looks pretty sick. I also discovered something terrible about the 240, but I will go ahead and show you guys that in a little bit. It freaking sucks, dude, but luckily my friends know how to fix that, so we're gonna get that fixed. And in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and install the kooky taillights. I don't know if I should install them right now or just wait. I guess thug life. Let's do this. All right, so what we need to do here is remove the bolts for the taillights, which are these right here, and then remove the ones for the lower garnish, and then remove the lower garnish bolts, which are underneath there, if you guys can see them. I believe there's a total of 8 there, and then I need to remove this latch right here and put the new one on. Simple as that. So I just need to take this clip off right here. Simple as that. The clip is off, and then I just pull the wire out and it is out. And after that, I just unbolt it, put the new one in, and it's ready to go. Is on the lights on both of them. I painted the rear portion where the lights go because all of the door jambs are going to be satin black, so I just decided to paint that while the lights were off. So now I'm going to go ahead and put everything together. Alright, now the tail lights are on, and I'm going to show you guys what's wrong with the 240 as well. Are you guys ready? The tail lights are now on. Man, this thing looks so amazing. Kooky 180SX Type X, I believe they are. Damn, man, these lights look so freaking good. It makes the car look a million times better. I mean, it kind of like makes the rest of the car look like shit because these are new and the rest of the car looks ugly, so it's kind of a little out of place, but that's not a problem. I'm also gonna have a 180SX sticker made and put it here, maybe like in matte silver, satin silver maybe, I don't know yet. And there's actually like a little gap on the bumper. I don't know if that's normal or not, but I need to address that. I need to do some research to see if that's even normal. And I'm probably going to put a piece of clear bra on this section right here after I put the sticker on. That way it does not get all scratched up and messed up. And I cannot wait to turn these bad boys on, but it's going to be quite some time until I do. Maybe about a month until I get them on. But besides that, the car looks so freaking good. And I got a little surprise coming in a few days, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that too. You guys do not want to miss that. This car is going to look completely different. I do need to source a couple more parts and then take it to my buddy's house to get the engine on and so forth. Also need to get the tags and probably new license plates. I'll probably make merch of the license plates and the RX-7 license plates, so stay tuned for that. You guys do not want to miss that. All right, so what I wanted to show you guys is this rust right here with my wire brush, just trying to get rid of some of the rust right there. And I stumbled upon this. I took my screwdriver and I dug it through, and it actually came apart right there. So that, and right here, so I'm gonna have to get rid of all this gunk right here and see what parts of the panel are messed up. And my buddy's gonna go ahead and cut a piece of sheet metal, weld a new one in, and we'll be good to go. So yeah, that freaking sucks right there, man. Now I gotta go through the whole car and make sure there's no rust on this before I get it moving. But I think that's pretty much it, just in this section right there. And then this trunk piece right here, I am gonna get a new hatch, so that's a good thing. This sucks, but thankfully I have good friends and they're gonna help me out. Thanks to my buddies, we're gonna go ahead and get this fixed. If not, I would have been screwed. And I sent him pictures. He said it wasn't too bad, so that's a good sign. And let's see how good this latch closes with the new lock on, the new keys. Bam. So yeah, I do need to get a new hatch. I am actually gonna go pick it up probably in the next week or so, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one since it's pretty rusted, as you guys saw. But besides that, the car looks freaking good. Just imagine this thing with the 180SX wing all done and some new wheels. Bro, this thing's gonna look so freaking sick. So the kooky lights are now on the 240SX, and we need to address that issue of the rust, but that won't be till later, till the car's at my friend's house. Until then, I got another package coming pretty soon in a couple of days, so you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button to get notified every time I post. What's coming is pretty sick. It's actually a good upgrade, if you would say, and you guys do not want to miss that. So I do need to upgrade a couple of suspension pieces on the 240SX, and I do need to source some parts for the engine. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video here. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, Ed Range, keep on rotating. Peace.